Okay, now that we got that all unboxed, I thought we'd take a little bit of a closer look at what they sent me. I was blown away when I opened this, to be honest. The fabrics are just amazing. I hope that this video and my pictures do it justice because they are just so amazing. So anyways, let's just jump right into it. The first thing that really caught my eye when I opened the boxes was this lanyard ribbon. I did not expect this in my box, so when I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, it's so amazing. It's printed with the same prints that I got in my box. So you have the park ranger and then the national parks, but it's the Star Wars parks, Star Wars planets as national parks, and then Bloop Kitty. So they're really awesome. I can't wait to use these. I think they would make really great trims. They're pretty thick, but they're not as thick as webbing. So I don't know if I would do like handle on a bag, but I think you could use it as like a accent on a handle. Like if you had webbing and then you wanted to put this on it, I think that would be a really great thing to do. I think you could use it as a handle. It is thick, or like a strap. It is thick enough. It's kind of got this like satiny feel to it, so I don't think it'll hold up as well as say a webbing if it's on its own. But I'm gonna make some keychain fobs, and I think these would make really great dog leashes. So I have so many ideas, and I can't wait to start doing them because I think it's just a really cool thing to add, just something else to the box that we got here. It's a really neat addition. I've never worked with lanyard ribbon, and I've never heard of lanyard ribbon until I got this box, and now like my world has been open to all the different possibilities. But okay, so that was really cool. That was a really awesome bonus. And then when I opened it, this immediately caught my eye. These Star Wars planets as like national park symbols, signs. The colors on this and the details on this are just absolutely amazing. See if you can get, there's some, here we go. The lighting isn't the greatest, but you can kind of see here, there we go, the like almost oil or dirt spots for Tatooine, which is so perfect. If you've seen Star Wars, Tatooine is just like this kind of dirty planet, so I think it's absolutely fantastic. And the colors are so vibrant and amazing. This is cotton lycra. It's got a nice thickness to it, not overly thick, but a really good structure to it. And then I really like that when I stretch it, you don't get that white in between, where sometimes if it's too thick and you stretch it, it'll show like the white lines. You don't get that on this. It's got a pretty good structure, a pretty structured drape, so it's perfect for cotton lycra. My oldest son has already claimed this and has asked me to make him something really special, so I have got to go through my patterns to find something to do this justice. And then they also sent me some of the, so I got the panel, they also sent me some of the coordinate for it. Sorry, I was like drawing a blank. This is, I believe it's bamboo French terry. It's got the loops on it. And then the drape, the reason why I think it's bamboo is because it's got a softer feel to it, but then the drape is also more of a relaxed drape. So, but it's absolutely, again, you stretch it and it doesn't show that white, which I really like. And it's got some nice four-way stretch to it too, which is really great for French terry for my kids because they like to wear it as long as possible. So this is the park ranger national symbols, or where they look like the national parks symbols. Okay, and then I also got this park ranger indoor panel. Again, this is cotton lycra. You get the stretch, nice, and doesn't show the white lines for it. So this one is a bigger panel. I think I'm gonna make it for, I gotta figure out something to make for one of my other kids because he has asked he has asked for this one. He claimed this one. Oldest claimed that one. And then again, some more bamboo French terry. Really nice drape, really nice soft. It just feels so soft and amazing. So I'm absolutely chuffed about these. And then one of my other boys saw this Jurassic Park, and he was like, "Oh, I love this. It's so bright and colorful." I got this in cotton lycra. Again, this has really nice stretch to it. Really nice thickness. And again, the colors are just absolutely divine. They are so gorgeous. This has already been washed and everything, and it's just so bright and vibrant. So Jurassic Park, that's awesome. And then the one that I was excited, and then my three younger boys were super excited for, is this Bloop Kitty. It is the cutest thing. It's got kind of like the rainbow outline, and he's sticking out his little tongue. So they got me a kid-size panel in cotton lycra, and then I have a adult panel in cotton lycra. He's so cute. This little guy is so cute. Oh, I love him. And then they also sent me some of the coordinating fabric in cotton lycra, especially with blacks. That white coming through is awful, and you don't get that in here at all. It's really nice. So here he is. All of his little versions. He is the coolest cat. I believe this is the regular scale, and then some more bamboo French terry in large scale. So you can see he's a little bit bigger here. Still super cute. And then the drape is still really, it's got just such a nice relaxed drape to it. So these are my fabulous fabrics from Zombie Bunny, and I cannot wait to cut into them and start sewing them. That's why I was like, I have to do this video because they are just too fantastic, and I need to get cutting, and I have to share it with everybody. So definitely check the description for the link to this awesome site. They have some of these on in retail. So the Bloop Kitty and the Park Rangers are in retail. Last I checked, but the Jurassic Park is going to be their next pre-order drop, so keep an eye out for this one. They also have some really cool Disney princess designs, and I think there was maybe a Barbie one. So keep an eye out for their next drop. It's going to be really fun, really colorful. Oh, there was Burton Villains. There was that. There was going to be Burton Villains and villains in like potion jars, I think it was. So definitely keep an eye out. It's super fun. It's a great pre-order, and I'm excited. All of them are just very bright and vibrant like this. So I hope that you enjoyed this little review of my Zombie Bunny strike fabric that I received. And if you have any ideas of what I should sew up using these awesome fabrics, please drop them in the comments, because I have way too many ideas, and it would be nice if maybe somebody helped guide them a little bit. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!